and we'll be starting the entire kicking off this project today. The components which will be manufactured are first PCBs. This is a very complex PCB. These kind of PCBs will be manufactured और ये PCB करीब करीब हर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट में जाती है, whether लैपटॉप हो, सर्वर हो, इंडस्ट्रियल इक्विपमेंट हो, ट्रेन सेट हो, चाहे रॉकेट हो, ट्रेन हो, एविएशन की एरोप्लेन हो, सब में इस तरह की PCB जाती है. Then there is a high density PCB. High density PCB and multi-layer. So for example, this PCB is 3-layer PCB. So this has 3 layers and each of the layers is interconnected like a multi-story building. Each of the layers has its own lift, its own plumbing, its own wiring, all that stuff is there. The second component which will be manufactured is these copper laminates. These are high purity copper laminates which are used in electronics manufacturing. They will be manufactured. And third is the camera module. As you know, these are the separate different camera module items. This is the rear camera, then this is the front camera. So all these will now become, we will start manufacturing them. Fourth is the thin film inside a capacitor. This is a capacitor. इस कैपेसिटर के अंदर की जो thin film होती है, that thin film will be manufactured in a country. What's important is, in case of multi-layer PCBs, we will have 20% of our domestic demand met by these plants. In case of camera module, approximately 15% of our domestic demand will be met by these plants. In case of copper-clad laminates, right now we are importing practically. Domestic production is very negligible. This will meet 100% of our domestic demand. Our domestic demand, copper laminate, 100% of our, this is the copper laminate, this copper laminate. 100% of our domestic demand we will meet. Then polypropylene film is again completely imported. This polypropylene film, this is again completely imported. This also will start